high speed on the highways, kind of sketchy.
Yes! Oh my gosh! Dude, it looks so good. I haven't seen it since he did the paint job. Damn! What? The Evo Pajero, yeah, huh?
Yeah.
Holy crap, man. Good to see you though, brother. Crap. Oh my gosh, did you catch up with these guys? Or?
Oh.
The rest of them, no, yeah.
I was ahead of them.
You literally pulled in from the side and then they pulled in after you. Type R. This freaking Evo Pajero's freaking me out. This thing's so freaking cool. That is awesome. Oh my gosh. Love the plate.
Came a long way from a $2,500.
Jeez, man. That's incredible. What a story. Yeah. Yeah, this is the color change.
Yeah.
That's pretty. That's pretty. The crew is here.
I gotta drive it out.
Finally, it's taken us a while for us all to get together.
Joe, you saw the scroller, right? Look at the graphics. Apex Black Limited.
Oh,
come on, man.
Gosh,
You know
dude.
that's that shit right there.
Pretty much. Dude, what? This is awesome.
Yeah, I'm pushing forward. I think stocks coming over.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
Intercooled helps so much.
Gotta put a horn on to make it loud.
The trumpet. Yeah. I have one laying around at my house. I'll see if it
Came a
fits
long
you.
way from a non-running
Oh, this one's
cracked manifold.
Okay.
Turbo was blown. It was
Whoa.
yeah, it was yeah, when I first got it, it was
Holy
I
moly.
way too much money for Rusty non-running 50.
It does, dude. It looks fantastic.
Yeah, no.
It sounds good too. It's Car mods. This is beautiful. It's in such.
Yeah, he saw me. He was like, "I'll take him." I'm like, "All right, but I don't know if you're serious or not. I'm gonna have to put it."
Marsh Composites. They're based out of like
I
Ohio.
heard of them. They're fucking expensive.
They're
but that
expensive.
shit
I
is
wanted
like
one of
100%.
his hoods. I just talked to his wife Christina, and she's like, "Yeah, we're on like a 13-month one."
No, I love it. So much gas and that's real fun, but
But these are in there rough.
But the thing is, I did the calculator. The calculator says that this is crazy because it's skinny and aggressive. So the tires, I gotta go 195 in order to run that long. Because I'm having a grab this car.
So I've been going.
this is rubbing